Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Yes, it is possible to reverse some sun damage on skin, emphasizing prevention and repair. Incorporate products with retinoids, vitamin C, and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, known for their ability to reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. Regular use of broad-spectrum sunscreen minimizes further damage and prevents premature aging. Seek professional treatments like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or laser therapy for more significant improvements. However, note that complete reversal isn't always possible, and maintaining skin health requires consistent care and protection.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.